Okay, for problem 183, they just want you to simplify using order of operations. So let's just go through these one at a time. So for A, we have 5 minus 2 times 3 squared. So clearly by PEMDAS, the 3 squared, the exponent comes first, right? So I have 5 minus 2 times 9. 3 squared is 9. And then multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So I have 5 minus 18. 2 times 9 is 18. And then 5 minus 18 is negative 13, right? So that's A. For B, we have negative 2 squared. So in this case, the negative 2 is the base for the exponent. So it's equivalent to writing negative 2 times negative 2. Now, I don't require you to show that work, right? But that's what we're doing, right? So that gives us 4. For C, we have 18 divided by 3 times 6. So multiplication and division happen at the same time from left to right, right? So we're going to do the division first because we go left to right. So this becomes 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 6, which is 36, right? So that's an important thing in PEMDAS, right? The order of operations, PEMDAS, right? Multiplication and division happen at the same time from left to right, and addition and subtraction happen at the same time from left to right. Okay, let's go to D, right, for D. So for D, we have negative 2 squared. Now, in this case, the base of the exponent is 2, not negative 2, because there are not parentheses around that negative 2. So this is negative 2 to the second, which is 4. That's simplified, right? This is a different problem than if we had this, and I'm going to write it next to it just to show you the difference, right? If I had negative 2 squared, then the base is negative 2, right? So that's negative 2 times negative 2. That would be 4, right? So they're two different questions, right? Okay, and then for E, we have 5 minus 3 times 5 plus 3. So order of operations says do what's inside parentheses first, right? So 5 minus 3 is 2, and 5 plus 3 is 8, and we get 16. And for F, we have 24 times 1/4 divided by negative 2, right? Divided by negative 2. They actually should put parentheses around that. So in this case, we have multiplication and we have division. That happens at the same time, left to right. So 24 times 1/4 is 6, right? Divided by negative 2. And then 6 divided by negative 2, positive divided by a negative is negative 3. And there's our answer. And then for G, it says, why are your answers for parts B and D different? And I kind of answered that, right? I mean, I answered this, right here, right? So the reason they're different is because the base of the exponent is different. In one case, it has parentheses, so the base is negative 2. And in the other case, the base is positive 2 because there's no parentheses.